IUPAC nomenclature of ether. Last time we complete the IUPAC nomenclature of alcohol and phenol. Now compound contains other groups. It is ether. So ether groups are expressed ROR. There are two types of ether. One it is simple ether and another it is mixed ether. So where it is simple ether, so it is assigned as a R1 and R2. In this group, R1 is equal to R2, so it is known as a simple ether. But in this group, R1 is not equal to R2, so it is known as a mixed ether. Say for example, we take here R1 is equal to methyl group, CH3O and CH3, and here CH3O C2H5. So it is in this structural formula, R1 and R2 means both alkyl group linkaging with oxygen are similar, so it is known as a simple ether. But in this compound or structural formula, both alkyl group linkaging with oxygen are different. One it is methyl and another it is ethyl, so it is known as a mixed ether. So, according to IUPAC nomenclature, it is named as a alkoxy. Alkoxy alkane. So what is alkoxy? OR, it is known as a alkoxy, and remains part of the molecules are known as a alkane. In both types of ether, it is named as a alkoxy alkane. So first we take the example, it is CH3O CH3. So both the sides linkaging with oxygen are similar. So it is part from here, and which alkyl groups having the oxygen, so it is known as a alkoxy. So in this group, alkyl groups having the one carbon atom, so it is methane, but it is linkaging with oxygen, so it is methoxy methane, and remains part having the number of carbon atom, it is 1, so it is methoxymethane. Similarly, C2H5O C2H5. So ethyl group consists of linkaging with oxygen, and it's having the carbon number 2, so it is ethoxy ethane. Similarly, it's having CH3, CH2, CH2O, CH2, CH2 and CH3. So it's having the number of carbon atom are 3, so it is propane, but it is linkaging with oxygen, so it is propoxy. And remains portion having the carbon number 3, so it is known as a propane. Similarly, it's having the both the side of oxygen, and it is benzene ring or phenyl ring. So it is known as a phenoxybenzene. benzene. Not it is benzoxybenzene. But when we take the benzene ring as a substituent group, so it is named as a phenyl. And phenyl ring attached with oxygen, so it is known as a phenoxybenzene. Similarly, so these types of compound, both the alkyl group linkaging with oxygen are similar, so it is named as a alkoxyalkane. In which alkyl groups oxygen are linkaging, so it is known as a alkoxy and remains part named as a alkane. When ether, it is simple ether, so it is part from here or here. If you participate from here, so it is known as a methoxy. There is no change in its IUPAC name. So when simple ether, so it is named as a, which types of the name are given, so you remember very well. Now ether is means mixed ether. Say for example CH3O, CH2 and CH3. It is known as a mixed ether, means both the alkyl group linkaging with oxygen are different. One alkyl group having the carbon number 1, so it is methyl, and another alkyl group having the carbon number are 2, so it is known as a ethyl. At that time, the part from oxygen, from where it is diffused. So oxygen are related with the alkyl groups having the minimized number of the carbon atom. So it is part from this bond. So it is methoxy and remains part having the methoxy. Number of carbon atom are 2, so it is ethane. But you are participate or break the bond from here and you write the ethoxymethane. So according to IUPAC nomenclature, it is wrong. Similarly, CH3, CH2O and CH3. So both are similar. So it is part from here and oxygen take with the carbon number. Alkyl groups having the number of carbon atom are less, so it is methoxyethane. So both components are similar and both having the similar IUPAC nomenclature. But representation of both the compounds are different. So sometimes you have given these types of representation for the structural formula. At that time you have done the mistake. So you concentrate here from where oxygen are take with which alkyl groups, both the alkyl group are linkaging with oxygen, in which the alkyl groups having the minimized carbon number, so oxygen are take with this alkyl group and it is named as a alkoxy group, and remaining parts of the components are known as a alkane or it is named as a alkane. Say for example, we write CH3, CH2O, CH2, CH2 and CH3. So it is oxygen are taken with this alkyl group because of it's having the carbon number, the number of carbon atom are 2, while this alkyl group having the number of carbon atom 3. So this alkyl group having minimized carbon number, so oxygen take place with this alkyl group and it is known as a, or it is written as a, the number of carbon atom 2, so it is ethoxy and ethane. Similarly, CH3, CH2, CH2O, CH2, CH2, CH3. So both these sides of carbon atom are same, but when it is written in another way, say for example CH3, CH2, CH2O, CH, CH3 and CH. The number of carbon atom are 3. Hydrogen 2, 2, 4, 7, 6 plus 7. At that time, you have indicate the number of carbon atom, which carbon atoms are linkaging with oxygen. So it is 1, 2 and 3. So it is named as a alkoxy, but 2 alkoxy. Propane. 2 alkoxy means 2 propoxy propane, and it is 1 propoxy propane. And that time, because of it make the another isomers, and at that time you have indicate the which number of carbon atom linkaging with. There are more than one probability to linkaging with or locating the oxygen with carbon atom. Here carbon number 1 are linkaging with oxygen, and here carbon number 2 are linkaging with oxygen atom. At that time you have assigned which number of carbon atoms are linkaging with oxygen atom. So it is named as a 2 propoxy propane, and it is 1 propoxy propane. Similarly, you have given these types of structure oxygen, and here both the side of oxygen, 2 alkyl groups are linkaging and alkyl groups are formed in the cyclic form. So which of first priority are given to which? So priority are given to more carbon atoms, so it is alkane, and it is alkyl, so it is cyclopropoxy and remains part it is cyclohexane. Similarly, OCH3, so it is named as a methoxycyclopentane. So when compounds having the cyclic structure, so at that time we use prefix as a cyclo, and according to number of carbon atom, name are written similar to open chain compound. Now compounds having the one aromatic ring, and it is benzene ring, one it is open chain and it is methyl, so it is methoxy, and remains part are known as a benzene, so it is methoxy benzene, and tradition name of this component it is Anisola. Similarly, another component OC2H5, so it is ethoxy benzene, and tradition name of this component it is Anisola. So in this way we complete the IUPAC nomenclature of ether according to our syllabus. કે સિલેબસની અંદર જે કંઈ તમને આપવામાં આવેલું છે ઇથરનું IUPAC નોમેનક્લેચર અથવા તો જ્યાં સુધી તો એટલું એના માટે સફિશિયન્ટ છે. Now we take another group for the IUPAC nomenclature and it is aldehyde and ketone. IUPAC nomenclature of aldehyde and ketone. So both the components aldehyde and ketone having one similar and it is C double bond O, so it is known as a carbonyl. C double bond O, so it is known as a carbonyl. In carbonyl groups, carbon atoms linkaging with oxygen by using it 2 valency. So remains 2 valency. From 1 valency always satisfied by hydrogen atom and another or 4th valency of these carbon atoms are satisfied by alkyl or aryl group, so it is known as a aldehyde. Aldehyde. While in carbonyl groups, from the 4 valency of carbon atom, 2 valency are satisfied with oxygen atoms and remains 2 from each of 2, remains 2 are satisfied by both the alkyl groups, both the aryl groups, or one alkyl and one aryl group. So it is known as a ketone groups. So most of the properties possess aldehyde and ketones are similar. Some of the properties are differential. Aldehyde and ketone because of or due to these carbonyl groups. Now first we start the IUPAC nomenclature or explain the IUPAC nomenclature of aldehyde. So in aldehyde, C double bond O S, and here we put the hydrogen. So it is first component of the aldehyde homologous series. So these components are, according to IUPAC nomenclature, it is named as a alkane. From the alkane, E is subtracted by Al. So suffix are used for the IUPAC nomenclature of aldehyde, it is Al. So whole name of these group components are named as a alkane. So here one carbon atom and CHO. So in this component is having the functional group as a CHO, and CHO group it is always or it is known as a terminal functional group. Terminal functional group means it is linkaging end of the chain and it include in the main chain. So it is known as a terminal functional group. It is terminal functional group. So CHO, it's having the one carbon atom. So from the methane, E is subtracted by An, so it is known as a methane. Similarly, CH3CHO, and it is trivalent name or familiar name, it is known as a formaldehyde. formaldehyde. CH3 CHO. So 1 and 2. So it is ethane, but it's having the 1 CHO group. So it is named as ethanol, and according to familiar name or common name, it is known as acetaldehyde. Some familiar name are also remember, because of sometimes you have asked, write the IUPAC name of formaldehyde or acetaldehyde. At that time, you have to familiar what is the structural formula of acetaldehyde, and it is named as a IUPAC nomenclature, so it is named as a ethanol. So that's why you have familiar both the name and its structural formula, so you easily write the IUPAC name or its structural formula easily. Now you have to give a CH3, CH2 and CH. So it consists the number of carbon atom are 3, 1, 2 and 3. So it is propane, but it's having one aldehyde group, CHO. So it is propane. Similarly, CH3, CH2, CH2, CHO. So it is known as a butanol. Not it is indicate the number, because of aldehyde groups, it is terminal functional group. So it's having always number of carbon atom, it is 1, and it's also having aldehyde group, also having the carbon atom. So this carbon atom always having the number, it is 1 number. So number are starting from this carbon atom. So here it cannot indicate the which number of CHO groups having, because of always it's having the number, it is 1 number. Similarly, CH3, CH, CH2, CH2 and CHO, and here CH3. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So it is pentanol. But in pentanol, carbon number 4 having the one substituent group, and it is methyl. So substituent groups are written always first with its number. So 4-methyl pentanol. Similarly, you have given CH3, CH, double bond CH and CH. So priority, there are one aldehyde group, means one functional group, and another it is double bond. So priority given here 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it is named as a but 2 in 1 in nal, or 1 in 1R, or it is named as a but2ina in I. After the E, there are AOI લેટર જો આવતા હોય તો ત્યાં આગળથી ઈ જે છે સબસ્ટ્રેટ થઈ જાય, અને ત્યાર પછી એને મિક્સ કરી લખો તો ઇના. તો આવી જ રીતે CH3, CH2, CH2, CHO, and these components having CH and double bond CH. So it is named as a or 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Chain are chosen in this way because of in parent chain having the or include the double bond. So it is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Sorry, 1, 2 and 3. So it's conceive the methyl group at carbon number 3. So it is 3 methyl. In parent chain there are 5 carbon atoms. So 3 methyl, pen, 4 enol. Similarly, CH triple bond C, CH2 and CH4. So it is 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 means butyl. 3 ion Y and E. CHO air, E are subtracted by I9. YNAL. So it is but 3 I9. તો આ રીતે જો તમને સબસ્ટિટ્યુઅન્ટ ગ્રુપ અથવા તો એની અંદર મોર ધેન વન ગ્રુપ, સે ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ OH, CH2, CH2, CH, double bond CH and CHO, and here this carbon atom having the CH. So number are given from carbon number of aldehyde group. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So it's having the 2 substituent groups and 1 double bond. So it is chloro group, and it is when hydroxy groups or alcohol OH group taken as a substituent group. At that time we use the, according to IUPAC system, we use the prefix as a hydroxy. So it is hydroxy. Now, according to alphabet order, which of them write first or given the priority? So it is 4-chloro, 5 hydroxy. Number of carbon atom it is 5. So it is pen, and carbon number 2 and 3 having 2 in ena, or 2 in 1R, or 2 in 1R. તો આ રીતે આનું નોમેનક્લેચર જે છે 1 in 2 in 1R, આ રીતે આનું નોમેનક્લેચર છે એ તમે કરી શકો. હવે આવી જ રીતે CH3, CH2, CH2, CH, CHO, and it consists CH2, CH, double bond CH2. At that time, which of the parent chain you choose? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. At that time, you choose the parent chain as this, because of when double bond and triple bond are present in the structural formula, at that time you choose the parent chain having maximum number of, or include the maximum number of double bond and triple bond. At that time 1, 2, 3 and 4, and it is taken as a substituent groups according to IUPAC. So it is propyl. So here 2 propyl bute 3 in 1A. E is subtracted from here because of it is coming before A. So in A. Here E are not written, or it is 3 enal, or it is 3 enal. One, it is not necessary to write this because of it's having this always, or it is linkaging at the end of the chain, and numbering from start. Numbering are start from this carbon atom, so it is this carbon atom always having the number 1. Sometimes you have given this CHO and CHO, so it's having the carbon number are 2, so it is ethane, and both the carbon atom in the form of aldehyde, so it's having the 2 aldehyde. So prefix are used as a dia, so it is ethane dia, ethane di. Similarly, and it is glyoxal. It is trivalent name, or it is known as a glyoxal. And according to IUPAC system, it is known as a ethane dia. Sometimes you have given the structural formula for the aldehyde group. It is in form of CH, CH3, CHO, CHO, and CH. So at that time, we choose the longest chain in form of this. At that time, one functional groups are skipped out. So IUPAC system, according to IUPAC systems, when these types of the structure are given, at that time you have choose the longest chain as a CH2, CH, CH2, CHO, CHO, and CHO. And at that time, you choose the longest chain in this way. It is numbering 1, 2, and 3. At that time, you have not used the suffix as a L, but you have used the suffix as a carbaldehyde. So it is named as a alkane carbaldehyde. So it is propane carbal tri, or 1, 2, 3 tricarbaldehyde. Propane 1, 2, 3 tricarbaldehyde. Similarly, you have given the structure in this way. CH2 and CH2. So there are one cyclic ring and one it is open. At that time, parent component shows in which aldehyde groups are included. So in parent component there are 2 carbon number are included, and it is taken as a substituent groups. According to IUPAC system, here number of carbon atoms are higher, but it cannot consider the functional, so it takes as a substituent. and numbering are given from 1 and 2. So it is named as a 2 and it is taken as a substituent group, and substituent groups are cyclic and it's having the carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So it is 2 cyclo pentyl alkyl, 2 cyclopentyl ethanol, 2 cyclopentyl ethanol, and similarly CH3, CH2, CH, CH, 2, CHO, it consists this type of cyclic structure and it's also having this way double bond are placed. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In carbon number 3, it's having the 3 cyclopropyl pen 4 in 1 R. But this E are subtract from here because of after it there is A letter R coming. So it is named as a 3 cyclopropyl pen 4 in 1 R or 4 enol. અહીંયા 1 નંબર જો ઇન્ડિકેટ ન કરો તો એ રોંગ નથી. તો આ રીતે આ કમ્પોનન્ટ જ્યારે હવે આ ટાઈપના કમ્પોનન્ટ છે, ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ ધીસ કમ્પોનન્ટ ડાયરેક્ટલી CH. So it is not written as a cyclohexyl methanol, but here rules are changed, and when the CHO group, the carbon atom of CHO groups are directly linkaging with cyclic ring, at that time you use the suffix as a carbaldehyde instead of R. So it is named as a cyclohexane carbaldehyde. Similarly, you have given these types of this structure. So it is known as a cyclobutane carbaldehyde. But you have given this way CH2 and CHO. So it is not carbaldehyde because of the carbon of aldehyde group are not directly linkaging with carbon of cyclic atom, carbon of cyclic. So it is used as a R, and here it is used as a carbaldehyde. તો આ રીતે આલ્ડીહાઇડ કમ્પોનન્ટ જે છે એમાં તમારા સિલેબસની અંદર જેટલું પૂછી શકાય એ અહીંયા આગળ આપણે ડિસ્કસ કર્યું, અને ત્યાર પછી નેક્સ્ટ જે છે તો એના માટે કીટોન, and ketones having the functional group as a R2 and R, where sometime R1 is equal to R2, sometime R1 is not equal to R2. It is not necessary both the alkyl groups are similar or both the groups are different. So from the corresponding alkane we subtract E by O and E, not it is 1, it is on. So it is named as a alkanol. And first component of this homologous series consists the number of carbon atoms. It is 3. Cl. So it is named as 1, 2 and 3. It is not terminal functional. So it is propane, but it's having ketone group. So from the propane, E are subtracted by on. So it is propane, non. And it is familiar. It is acetone. It is acetone. Similarly, CH3, CH2, CO, CH3. So it is ethyl methyl ketone. But according to IUPAC nomenclature, it consists 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it is butanone. Not 1-butanone are not necessary because of there is no probability to form the 2-butanone. Because of this CO group migrate from here, so numbering are given from here. So from the both the sides, these CO groups having the similar number. So it is not necessary to given the number. Sometimes you have written the number, so it is correct. Not it is wrong. So, but sometimes CH3, CH2, CO and CH2 and CH3. At that time, you have necessarily given the number. First of all, choose the parent chain having maximum number of carbon atoms, and it gives the number from the E chain. Ketone groups having the minimized number. So from the both the end, it's having the 4 and 5. Similar number. So numbering are given from each of the end. If it is given by left hand side or it is right hand side. So CO having the similar 3 number. Now it is named as pen 3 on. Pentanone. But number are also indicated because of it is also having these types of the structure. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So it is also pentanone. But CO from this side it's having the number 2. So it is pen 2 on 2 pentanone. So it is when it is necessary to given the number. So you given from the E chain. From E chain, ketone groups having the minimized number. Say for example, we write this CH3, CH, CH2, CH2, CO, CH2, CH3, and it is CH3. The structural formula of components are given in this way. So first of all, we choose the parent chain consists the functional group. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. There are 2 probabilities. Now it necessary to given the number. So number are given from which end? So number are given from this end? No. Because of from this end, substituent groups having the minimized number. But functional groups having the large number. So it is wrong for the IUPAC rules. In IUPAC rules, the priority are given for the numbering. First priority given to the functional group, second priority given to the double or triple bond, and third priority are given to the substituent group. So numbering are given from this end 4, 5, 6 and 7. So it is at 6 carbon atom it's having methyl group, so it is 6 methyl. In parent chain, seven carbon atoms. So it is F10. And 3 carbon atom. F10 non. પણ ક્યાં તો કે 3 on. F10 on. F on. Alkanon F10 3 on. So it is written as a 6 methyl F10 3 on. Similarly, you have given this CH2 double bond CH, CO and CH. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3. So it is but 3 in 2 on or on. Bu 2 in on enon. It is write the but 3 enon or in 2 on. But here numbering are not necessary to indicate because of there is no probability it linkages another carbon atom. So when it is linkaging with cyclic structure, say for example double bond. So it is cyclo. Total number of carbon atom it is 5. So it is pent, but it also having the carbonyl or ketone group. So it is known as a cyclopentanone. Similarly, it is cyclohexanone. And similarly, it is cyclobutanone. But when single components having more than one group means groups are repeated. Say for example in this component it's having the double bond O and double bond. So number are necessary 1, 2, 3 and 4. Cyclopentane 1, 3 diol. Cyclobutane 1, 3 comma 3 dione. Similarly, compounds having CH3, CH2, CO, CH2, CO and CH3. So numbering are given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Hex, hexane, 2, 4, dione, dione. Similarly, in these components, it also consists another group. Say for example, OH, CH2, CH2, CO, CH3, and here it also consists CH3. So it is 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3. तो આનો ચાલે ક્યાંથી અહીંથી આવે તો ક્યાં આગળ 1 it is methyl and it is hydroxy. So 4 hydroxy, 3 methyl, but 1 butane, 1 on. અને આ જ રીતે જો if it is linkaging with aromatic ring, say for example we take this CO CH3 At that time it shows it is parent chain. And in parent chain there are two carbon atoms, so it is ethanol. But one carbon atom it is linkaging with phenyl ring, so it is one phenyl ethanol. Ethanol. And commercial name or common name of this component it is acetophenol. So this way, sometimes you have given COCH3 and here what? At that time you given the number 1, 2 and 3. So in it is parent chain, and in substituent there are substituent also linkaging substituent, so it gives the number. So it is first write the 1 phenyl 1 3 hydroxy phenyl શું થશે ઇથેનોલ. તો આ રીતે આ ટાઈપના જો કમ્પોનન્ટ આપેલા હોય તો એનું નોમેનક્લેચર ઇઝીલી તમે કરી શકો. એટલે તમારા સિલેબસની અંદર એકોર્ડિંગ ટુ યોર સિલેબસ એની કરતાં પણ થોડું ડીપની અંદર આટલું બધું ડિફિકલ્ટ અથવા તો લેન્ધી સ્ટ્રક્ચર છે એ બહુ પૂછતા નથી. એટલે જે કોમન હોય સિમ્પલ તો એનું નોમેનક્લેચર છે એ તમને સરળતાથી આવડે એટલા માટે આ બધા રૂલ્સ સાથે સાથે આપણે કરેલા. એટલે અહીંયા આજે આપણે લેક્ચરમાં ઇથર આલ્ડીહાઇડ એન્ડ કીટોન માટે આઈયુપીએસસી નોમેનક્લેચર છે એ કમ્પ્લીટ કરીએ. ત્યાર પછી રિમેન્સ ગ્રુપ જે બાકી રહેશે એ નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરની અંદર સ્ટાર્ટ કરીશું. છે ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ કાર્બોક્સિલિક એસિડ એસ્ટર. એટલે જે લગભગ 2 લેક્ચરની અંદર આઈયુપીએસસી નોમેનક્લેચર છે એ કમ્પ્લીટ થાય એવું કેલ્ક્યુલેશન કરીએ છીએ. અત્યારે અહીંયા આગળ સ્ટોપ કરીએ. થેન્ક યુ.